My idler's making noise. Shop kitty. Hey, don't do that.
I tried to tap it and it freaked out.
Well, let's get to work. Well, we figured out what it was. It was not the idler, which I thought. Yeah, I got it. The timing crank gear. This one, where the keyway goes in, it is clearanced ever so slightly.
That's bad.
That's bad.
That's bad right there.
You can see some powder. Look at that. See that?
That's bad.
Yeah, it's bad. We're about to crank it up. We probably should crank this thing up and let the alternator charge a little bit.
That'll be all right.
Well, I want to make sure everything's okay. So,
Yeah, because you're weird.
yeah.
Stupid.
At least I don't drive a Mazda. Ugh.
Yeah.
All right, Camgry. How do you sound? It's still making the noise.
What?
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 Not as bad. Hmm.
Okay. Hey, also I found a little something on the hood that somebody left.
Okay, we'll have to get rid of that.
Hold on. You'll excuse me for a second. It can't be there if the paint's not.
Oh, that's bad.
Oh, that's really bad.
Here, hold this up.
Oh yeah, go shut it off. It's spraying it.
Yep. Oh shit, hold on.
Sprayed.
I tightened that. I tightened the shit out of that. It jumped off the pulley? Oh.
Still on the crank, but it jumped off the AC.
Okay.
Alright.
I know how to fix that. Going in the parts room. I got a new belt. Got the dog in him. There we are now. Okay. So, apparently this belt didn't get put on the right way the first time. But good luck, I have a hot spare. Gotta stuff it in there. Get it around that main. Come on now.
There's not enough room in there for anything.
Yeah, no. There's barely enough room for a belt.
Look at this guy.
Haha, very funny. Thank you. It's still not on the main pulley all the way. We have to give her some slack. I've done this enough times, I should be a pro at this. Apparently, the first time I did it was not good enough.
Oil filter.
Shut. Why is that not?
Oil filter.
What is it doing? It's not doing the thing.
Is it not doing the thing?
It's not doing the thing.
Hey, you see that? It's not doing that. It's not doing the thing.
Shut.
Dude, I'm trying.
No, you're not. You're being yourself. That's bad.
Hey, guy.
I'm kidding. It might be actually extra hard to get this on just because I put that freaking protective cover back on. But no, that's it. It's on.
Well, make sure it's seated on the AC pulley.
It wasn't seated all the way in the AC pulley because see, this is still not. It has to go down more. Whoa. Go ahead, come on. Whoa. Okay, now let me feel this out because I know how much tension this thing likes, and it's too much, but that's what it likes. Yep, that is 100% on there. Cool. Round off this little locking nut here. Yep, cool.
Cool. All right. Well, try it now.
Yeah, here. I'll give the people some
viewing pleasure.
viewing pleasure.
Viewing displeasure.
But it still made the noise.
If you're watching this, I'm sorry.
Yeah, sort through my ball of keys.
Ball of keys. I don't hear it.
I don't either. It sounds like regular engine stuff now. Where's the other button?
It's over there.
Eat it up. Okay, eat it up here. That's about it, though.
Yeah, it's ever so slightly frayed on that edge.
Yeah. Yeah, this is going to be kept as a hot spare. Okay, just so you know, people, if you have a 98 Camry, the belt that runs the AC and the alternator absolutely hates its life. This is like number 4. And this one, I can still use the spray. I'm keeping it as a hot spare. But I replaced that belt so many times. One splash of water, and it's summertime, you're using the AC, oh boy, it slips. Like, no good. And it wants to be like tighter than it really should be.
Yeah.
It works.
The proof is in whatever kind of pudding this is.
I would not want to be the guy that tastes that pudding.
You right.